Hi, my name is Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products. This is just a quick walkthrough of the PC50 on the product overview, if you like, and then we're going to start it up at the end of the video and show you how to use it. So, as I said, it's a Trafalgar PC50, which is a hand pull paddock cleaner. You'll notice it's a low volume machine compared to our other models, so ideally suited for people with alpacas are a big customer for us, and any animal that's got small volume poop, sort of sheep or Angora goats, etc., where you might want to pick up the manure after the animals. So okay, it's a 50 litre tank. It's a Honda 4-stroke engine. You get a 2-year warranty both on the machine and also on the engine, backed by Honda, well, nationwide and worldwide. It's a recall start, very easy to start. We have done a video on how to start this machine and also how to empty it and put the back ready for poo picking, so please watch those if that's what you're interested in. You'll also notice, I'll turn the machine around to the side, but you'll see that we've got flotation tyres fitted on here to make it easy for the operator. And when I'm tilting it, because of the swan neck system that we've got here, which is adjustable for operators of different heights, it does mean that the load predominantly sits over the front, over the wheels, over the axle, which is much easier on the operator, basically, you know, less fatigue on the back, etc. So that sort of tells you about the wheels. It's a trolley mount system, the volume and the engine. The pickup tool on this model, we've got a 3-inch hose and a 3-inch hose and a 3-inch pickup tool. This we find is the ideal setup for alpaca poop, which is people we tend to sell mostly to. You can have a 4-inch hose, and I believe there's even a 5-inch hose, although we've never supplied them ourselves. If you're going to use it for litter, it can be more useful on the bigger ones. If you're going to use it for dog feces, the 3-inch is required, and also cigarette butts and sort of small litter, the 3-inch is better, but you can use 4-inch. So to give you an idea, I'm just going to hold it and walk around. I'll just go in a circle, so I'll walk backwards just because we've got a limited area with the video camera, but just to show you how easy it is to operate. Now, from a manoeuvring point of view, if you want to move it any distance, you can place that back in its holster, which is here, and then to manoeuvre it round like this is really easy. So I think really that talks you through the video. I'll quickly fire it up and show you how the suction works. That's interesting. Hey, we'll edit that out. Ah, okay. Yep, we had it turned off. Okay, so I'm not sure I'll keep it in the video, but there was a bit there where I was trying to start it in the off position. So you can see the filter bag has filled up. And if the camera can come in, I'll just move, if it can come in and visually come in onto the handle. Okay, if you see my finger, you gently squeeze on and you'll hear the revs going up. Okay, so that's maximum revs. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but you can see the suction that's giving. And to switch it off, just at the top, And that's really how to use it. Don't think there's much else to say. My name is Keith Douglas from Fresh Group Products, and if you've got any questions or are interested in the product, please feel free to call us anytime. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that video informative. Please subscribe to our channel or share with any friends or colleagues, and we will send future videos out via our channel, and we hope you enjoy them. Thank you.